Hello, this is lab 1 of ELEC 327, moving the MSP430 onto a breadboard. I've tied the power rails on both sides of the breadboard just for my own convenience. Over here you can see the capacitor between the power and ground to smooth out the power supply. Here's the pull-up resistor for the reset pin, and I've connected test and reset onto the corresponding pins over here on the launch pad. I've used a 330 ohm current limiting resistor in front of my LED just so it doesn't burn out. So here's me plugging it in, and so as you can see, it's blinking the SOS code right now. And I can change the message array so that it blinks a different message right here. So if I comment out this line and I were to save and re-debug, re-upload the code, it will blink a different sequence now. So I will reprogram it right now. So now that's Morse code for MSP.